what do you need to do to change your email address of Minecraft? First of all, just open any browser you want. I'm just going to open Google Chrome as it is my favorite browser. And then just type in Minecraft Help Center. And then I'll click on the first link here, help.minecraft.net. And then you click on, then or you search, just type in the search bar, changing email address. Click on the first link here, changing your email address, Mojang accounts, and yeah, just read through this article, and then you can scroll down until you see if you are unable to change your Mojang account email, have your transaction ID or gift code available and contact Minecraft support. That's what we want. So I'm just going to open this in a new tab, and then this form opens, and then we can select first our language, then our game title, whatever version we have. In my case, Java Edition, platform I play on, PC. What is the category of your questions? I would think account support is the most fitting one, and then what is the subject for your question? Change account information, and then just fill out this form and type just in I want to change my email address, but I haven't got any access, and then just leave your transaction ID or gift code here, and then just submit it, and they will answer in about 2 business days. In my case, it just took 1 business day, so they are really fast. But that's already it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions left, just leave them in the comment section below, and I will write you back as soon as possible. But that's it. Wish you a wonderful day. See you. Bye.